Welcome, dear student. I am B.V. Patil. My school name is Uttur Vidyalaya, Uttur. Today we discuss about Standard 9th subject Maths Part 2 and Chapter 1st. Chapter name is Basic Concepts in Geometry. Today we discuss about segments, ray and line. First, line segment. For that line segment means Reshakhand. Consider 2 points and that 2 points, and between 2 points, all points we together consider segments. Here A and B are 2 points, and A consider, B consider, and between all points between A and B together called line segment. The union set of point A, point B and points between A and B is called segment AB, and segment AB is shortly denoted by seg AB. Here A and B are endpoints. Length AB is equal to distance AB. Then this is line segment AB, and if we extract or increase points on B side or on A side, then that figure is called as ray. The next part is ray. Here A point, B point, and we increase point on B side, that is one point P we consider. That point P we take up to near B or increase distance. In this way infinite points are like P, then that figure is called ray. Suppose A and B are two distinct points. The union set of all points on segment AB and the point P such that ABP is called ray AB. Here A is called as endpoints of ray AB. Then next we consider line. Here point A and point B, then that figure here in previous point segment AB we consider, and that segment AB increase on right side also and on left side also, then that figure becomes line. The union set of points on ray AB and opposite ray of ray AB is called line AB. First part of that figure is ray AB. Here ray AB we consider, that is the first part, and its second part is opposite ray of ray AB. Opposite ray of ray AB is on right side, is called, that two figures we join, then we get line AB. Here line AB we consider, And in today we discuss first point, that is segment AB. That segment include in that figure line, therefore we can say that this segment is a subset of line. Segment AB is a subset of line AB. Then next part we consider congruent segments. For that purpose, here first segment we draw here, segment AB, and its length 5 centimeter. Then another segment, segment CD, and its length 5 centimeter. If length of two segments are similar, then that two segments are said to be congruent segments. If the length of two segments is equal, then the two segments are called congruent segments. Segment AB congruent segment CD. Then fifth part is properties of congruent segments. First property is reflexivity, paravartanata. Segment AB congruent segment AB means any segment is congruent itself, that is called as reflexivity. Then second is symmetry, means samamitata. If segment AB congruent segment CD, then segment CD congruent segment AB, means first segment congruent with second segment, then second segment congruent with first segment, that is called as symmetry. Then third is transitivity, sankramakta. If segment AB congruent segment CD and segment CD congruent segment EF, then segment AB is congruent segment EF, that is first segment congruent with second and second congruent third, then we can say that third segment first segment congruent to third, and that is called as transitivity. Then midpoint of a segment given here, segment AB is given, and here at the middle point is M. M is at equidistance from A and B. Their distance from A and distance from B is equal, means segment AM congruent segment MB, that two distances are similar and M is lie between A and B, then that point is called as midpoint. If M lie between A and B and segment AM congruent segment MB, then M is called the midpoint of segment AB. Here A, M, B and segment AM congruent segment MB, then M is called as midpoint. Here suppose value of AM, length of AM is 4, length of MB is 4, then total distance from A to B is, it becomes 8. Then we say that one formula for 4 and 8, 4 is half of 8, that 4 is half of 8, means AM segment is equal to MB, both segments are similar and its distance is half AB. Or in another way we can say that 8 is twice times 4, 8 is twice of 4, means AB is twice AM or twice MB. Then seventh point is comparison of segments. Here first segment AB and second segment is CD. Then what is the relation between these two segments? First segment is smaller than second, or in reverse order, second is greater than first. That is, segment AB is less than segment CD, or in reverse order, segment CD is greater than segment AB. Then eighth part is perpendicularity of segments. First segment we draw here, that is segment AB, and perpendicular segment is segment CD. That segment is perpendicular here. Then we can say that segment CD is perpendicular to segment AB. That CD is perpendicular to AB. Then next, distance of a point from a line. Here one line we draw here. Line is AB, and here we draw perpendicular. Segment CD is perpendicular to line AB. Segment CD is perpendicular to line AB. That segment is perpendicular here. Therefore, we can say that segment CD is the distance between point C and line AB. Segment CD is the distance between point C and line AB. In this way, today we discuss about different points. Thank you.
Dear student, you like my video, then please give like to video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.